Hello guys, I hope everyone is well. Today I'm gonna show you the chart reading technique, how I read the chart. If we open our MT4, we see there's a lot of candles. So what does the candle mean? What every candle tells us about his story and what's the behind the story and how we can read the chart. This is the topic today. Uh, I gonna give you an example and at the we're currently on weekly chart. I just marked some area here is the support and resistance area. You can see there's a lot of touches over here is being worked as a support, and we got a breakout and it's been worked as a resistance here. You got a big candle breakout, and there's been another support also resistance, and this is another. So first of all we're gonna go to start from daily chart, and first things first, we want to read the chart, but when to start? You see the candle we are using in daily candle has been started from 19 September 2016. So do we need to start from 19 September or we need to start from 19 September 2010, 19 September 2015 or 19 September 2016? When we need to when we need to start from? So this is the not that complex things, so we need to start from as much as information that we can have in our chart. So we have information from 19 September 2016, so we're going to read the chart from 19 September 2016, and if sometimes we need to make the information more clear, then you go to higher time frame, weekly, and sometimes in monthly, and we'll have more chart. We'll have more data, we'll make data more accurate. So it's not complex things. So we'll monitor the chart as much as the information we have in our chart. So if we are in daily chart, we can see the information from 19 September, and we can see here, from here is a big upside movement that's been started from this area with a big spike here, and market has break this level. We just marked the level here from the weekly chart. So we see there's several touch over here, several breakouts here, and we made a breakout and market has halted. So this information is not that much important. We are currently in here, we're staying in this area, so we need what market is doing at this area. We marked our level from previous data, marked here's another level, and our thing, the thing we just need to know what market is going to do with this area. Is it gonna breaking down or is it gonna honor this area? So this is the history we need to study. If we see is a big candle breakout, this means the guy was buying from this area. He or she still wants the market to break that area. This means here is a big guy. This has much importance of catch a bull, and he break the market and bring it up to 89.44, this resistance zone. I just marking here this zone, and in this zone, when the market is coming through this zone, we see there's a big candle and there's a big pressure. Still there's a pressure, and when market reaches this area, we saw the pressure is going to lose. You see this interest of buyers are not that much like this. Here you get a big candle. If you go to intraday chart in this, we'll see another big movement in H1, in M30, M5. So these are indicating the people are interested in buying in this area, and this is indicating people are losing interest. People are losing interest to buy from this area. Instead of people are selling from this area, the sellers are getting stronger from the area. We can see there's the buyers are stronger. You can see the sellers are stronger. There's a big red candle coming, and here we come to the support area. We see bulls are still interested. Bulls are still interested, and see this resistance has been honored at this area. The market has been fallen for 70 pips, but suddenly market got a big bullish candle that shows us the interest. The buyers that still are intact, and buyers that still wants to buy at this high price. You see, here's the low price, here's the high price. Till then, this is one price, this is one price, this is the lowest price. So buyers want to usually buy from the lowest price, so they bought it from this bottom, and when market price has been rising, so buyers are normally are not interested to buy at the high price. Instead, seller, this is the seller's area. So exam sometimes happens when there is a much interest in the market, and this when there is a big need for the currency or other facts. Sometimes buyers want to buy from the high price. So these things it happens. The sellers has been sold as it shows the subcritical to resistance. The buyers shows big interest in here, and market stayed above this level for 20 working days. 20 working days market is staying above the area. This indicating buyers are still interested. Buyers are still interested to buy from that high price. This is the highest price of 2017 we are talking about. So buyers that still want to buy from the high price. What does it mean? This is the rare case happens in the markets. Usually in markets, the market reaches the resistance, ultimate resistance, break above the ultimate resistance, but suddenly it go back and start to lose its value. But in this case, it was still interested to buy at this area, and when it comes to the resistance becomes support here, we go into the chart. We'll see read the chart here is candle on H4 chart. We will see here's a lot of indecision candle. This means the buyers bought at this area, and this is very dangerous area for that sellers. The sellers sold the market here, but they lose all their money from that buyers. And here the sellers has fear of these. Once they have fear, we lost lot of money here, and we are not want to take any risk at this area because we have a very nightmare time in previous. So in that case, what are you gonna do? We're gonna buy from this area. So this guy is showing us market has more interest for getting gold, and this is the correction over that area is indicating us that market is still interested to stay above this resistance zone, and we're gonna buy from here because this area is very dangerous for sellers. We don't want to sell at this area until we got a breakout, and this breakout would be this type of big candle breakout. Until a big candle breakout at this area, we will not gonna sell. And if this thing happens at this area, we will sell with the target near-term support level still. But currently we are buying with a stop loss here, and our target will be at least this area 91.50. Is an opportunity of 200 pips to collect from this area. Thank you very much, and we'll have some more stuffs from today. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thank you.